Hi guys, come with me to the farm and to the factory. I want to show you how your Pishori rice gets from the farm to your plates. Snow Basket Pishori rice starts its journey on local farms where farmers grow and harvest paddy rice with care. After harvesting, the rice is taken to the factory for processing, and at this stage each grain is still covered by a hard outer husk, which we call paddy rice. The first step is removing this husk. Once it's taken off, the rice becomes brown rice, which still has its natural outer layer. Next, the brown rice goes through further processing. This removes the outer layer to produce white rice, giving it a smooth texture and a familiar white color. The rice is then graded into white rice, broken rice, and bran for animal feed. Finally, we pack the rice into bags, seal it for freshness, and store it ready to deliver it to you. From the farm to the factory and finally to your home, Snow Basket Pishori rice is carefully processed to bring you clean, quality rice you can trust.
Ah, okay.
Proceed hapa kwa polisha.
Ah, okay.
Hii polisha. Polisha namba 2. Hapo inaendelea kuoshwa. Polisha namba 3. Sasa imekuwa mchele ya kuliwa.
Oh, sasa iko ready ikiwa hivi. Okay.
Hii ni grader.
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 Okay.
Grade 1, grade 2. Hii inatengeneza kitu tunaitanga super fine.
Okay.
Broken chicken. Grade 3 hadi grade 4. uchafu yenye inakuwa kwa mchele. Hii inaitangwa karasota. Kazi yake ni kutoa uchafu.
Hapa ndio mwisho sasa.
Hapa ndio mwisho sasa.
Packing.
Kidogo hivi ili waone mchele ukitoka.